Say hi, be.
Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. What is she doing? I see the fish eyes. You see the fish? That's cool. That's what to do over here? I can touch the fish eye. Huh? Well, it's because it's dead. It's dead, right? Oh, look, CCTV camera. I think it's trespassing. Yes, right there. I don't think they're gonna call the police. Wait a minute. How old? So at any age, people can be arrested? Huh? Any 18 plus, that's what I'm saying.
You can still go to...
Child's background. What's child's background? I don't know. I might when children's place to work? Work where? Oh, okay. I don't want to go to jail. I want to go to that. I don't want to go there.
Ito pala ni Pepe. Ito lang.
Vlogger?
Oh!
Vlogger?
Vlogger ko, no?
It's fish head. That's one. Why don't we get some food for the cat? Let's go. Sit here. Look for a squirrel.
Everyone!
Guys, stay here. Hi. Good ball. Stay here.
Dito.
Where are you going?
Oh, dito lang kayo. Dito lang.
Buy me something.
No, something, no.
Dito lang. To my bed. Oh.
Stay. Dito ka. Yan.
Hello.
Hi, hello for everyone. Talk to my followers today. Gamitan ninyo.
Ow! Imagine who's song. Hey, Miggy. Hey, go touch his flowers. Hey. Ikaw lang. Sama sila. Wait.
Oy, stay here.
Sino ba kasi nagpauso sa inyo mag ganyan-ganyan ha? Ang ilong namin nosebleed na.
Hello, fish. You're dead, right? Hello, followers.
Kailan itong ako?
Pastila na mga baktin.
Hey, you're dead, fish. What?
Ba't ka nag-English speaking kayo?
Balik ka na. Pera, pera.
We eat live octopus?
Ayaw na.
I just farted.
Stay put now.
Iyan! Bukot na. Ay, nako. Kung nakakaintindi sila ng Tagalog, hindi na nakakapagsalita.
Pabili natin yung kabayo maliit.
Lakihan mo na, langanin yung maliit.
Maliit lang ito.
Bella!
I just farted.
Kasabi mo sila ng English, di sila nakakaintindi. Dali, paano ka magkakaroon ng boyfriend yan? Hindi?